That photo is totally unacceptable. Ugh. Wait, I wasn't ready. Can we do it again, please?
No do-overs. Next.
It's not so bad if you put your thumb over it. So now, it turned out to get the real license, I have to, practice driving for, a bajillion hours.
I can't wait. It'll be a hoot.
Ugh, work lame. Definitely not. No offense, Dad, but no thank you. Wait, what? I think you're underestimating the value of driving here. What if you're suddenly craving a froyo? Or if there's a sample sale at the mall? I'll take my chances. Besides, I'm not really the driving type. Oh, no, you're totally the driving type. Nah, I'm really more the passenger type. Sit, text, watch. Oh, no, that's me. I'm the passenger. I got this. You know, Hunter said a woman behind the wheel is really cool. What? He said that? He might have. Great idea, Angelo. Hunter can drive me around. Wait, that's not what I said. You're wasting your time, you think? I know. Hey, that's my J-Pod. You're so dead. Check it. I made you a sick driving mix with all your favorite songs. Picture this. Windows down, volume up, your tunes are blasting. That does sound pretty cool. What's that? Oh, this little thing? It's just a keychain with voice command, so you can never lose your car keys. Never? Never. Just like the TV commercial says.
Never lose your keys again with the awesomely bedazzled Keymaster 3000.
I lost my keys.
Comes with a 100% guarantee that your keys never go missing.
I've got her attention. Now, I just need to reel her in. Hey, Elena, here's a coupon for a free car wash. And with me navigating in the back seat, I can find all the fastest routes. Sucker! Oh, look what I got. Steering wheel cover. And fuzzy dice. Ooh, I do like fur. Angelo, you know me well. This is all really cool, but... And for the pièce de résistance. A gift certificate for a makeover. This is your ticket to a killer driver's license picture. Ugh, you got me.